Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the power cord on your washer, unplug the old cord from the wall outlet. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the rear control panel. Lift the panel up to remove. Detach the control housing. Next, remove the mounting screws securing the noise filter. Disconnect the power cord wire connector from the noise filter board and unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. You can now fully remove the old power cord. Install the new power cord by inserting it into the control base. Secure the grounding wire with the screw and connect the new wire connector to the noise filter board. Reposition the noise filter. And replace the mounting screws to secure. Reposition the control housing. Slide the rear control panel into place and secure it with the screws. With the repair completed, plug the new power cord in, and your washer should be ready for use.